we're going to make her a bird table so she's got plenty of food for her chicks.
A songbird sits in a tree. But look at that, there's more to see. 5 little eggs in her nest right now. Let's help her out, I'll show you how. Whistle with the birds, whistle with the birds.
Give it a try, won't you whistle with me?
Blow some air and make it sound pretty. Aww.
Let's make a bird feeder out of wood. Add some decoration, make it look so good.
The birds will need a place to eat. Soon we'll hear them tweet, tweet, tweet.
And we'll whistle with the birds.
Whistle with the birds.
Give it a try, won't you whistle with me?
Blow some air and make it sound pretty.
The seeds and nuts are ready to eat.
Yay!
Add a little water with a tweet, tweet, tweet.
The eggs are shaking. Yeah, the whole batch.
I think these eggs are about to hatch.
Let's whistle with the birds.
Whistle with the birds. Everybody's whistling with me. Blowing air, it sounds so pretty. Hi, I'm Ella. I've written a song about my amazing grandma. Can you sing about someone special to you? I love my grandma. She's so much fun. She jumps in the pool, plays football too, and goes camping with everyone. Grandma, oh grandma, there's so much you can do. Grandma, oh grandma, I love you. I love my grandma. She works so hard. She waters the plants and the veggies too. She does so much on the farm. Grandma, oh grandma, I love you. Yeah, I really, really love my grandma. She knows so many things. All about stars and healthy foods like vegetables and sweet, sweet fruit. Grandma, oh grandma, I love you.
The very best thing about Grandma is the love she always shares.
She looks after everyone because Grandma really cares.
Grandma, oh grandma, there's so much you can do. Grandma, oh grandma, I love you. Yeah, I love you. Hi, it's me, Rishi. Today it's Holi, the festival of colors. I'm going to show Ella what it's all about.
Everybody gather round, let's bring the colored powder out.
Yay! Look how special, look how bright. It's called Gula, yeah, that's right. Orange, yellow, green, and blue. Even some magenta too. Holy hey, holy hey, the festival of colors. Holy hey, such a happy day. Holy hey, throw the powder in the air. Vibrant colors everywhere. Holy hey, festival of colors. Now it's time to make a treat. Gujia, so nice and sweet.
Put some nuts and fruit inside. Fry the dough, give it a try. They're all dipped in syrup now.
So delicious, wow, wow, wow.
Rub some powder on your friend. Watch how all the colours blend.
Orange, yellow, green and blue. I love playing Holi with you. Holi hey, Holi hey, festival of colors.
Even all the water has so many different colours. Spray it all around and make a rainbow mess.
Orange, yellow, blue and green. All the colors in between.
Celebrate all day long and sing this song.
Holi hey, Holi hey, festival of colors. Holi hey, such a happy day.
Such a happy day.
Holi hey, festival of colors. Holi hey, such a happy day.
Yeah, yeah.
Holi hey, such a happy day. Yay! Hola! It's Easter and we're doing a Mexican egg hunt. Help us find Bunny Buns, the Easter bunny.
Bunny Buns runs around with a basket full of eggs.
But Bunny Buns can't be found. He's way too fast on his bunny legs.
Behind the beehive.
No.
Is he somewhere near? No. Behind the hay bale.
I don't know. Look, bunny ears.
Cascarones.
This fiesta is so fun.
The eggs are full of confetti. Crack one open, Bunny Buns. Cascarones. Crack one open again. Let's all see how many cascarones we can get. Bunny Buns is really speedy. He's very hard to catch.
But if we find him, we will get an egg from his cascarones bag.
In the bee barn.
No.
Is he somewhere near? No. In the flower patch.
I don't know. Look, bunny ears.
Cascarones. Crack one open again. Let's all see how many cascarones we can get.
Bunny Buns, where are you?
He hops away
Can we find him once again?
on this special day. Behind the bush
No.
or in a tree. No. At the washing station.
I don't know. He's right next to me.
Cascarones.
This fiesta is so fun.
The eggs are full of confetti. Crack one open, Bunny Buns.
So much fun on Easter Day.
Come on, everyone, grab an egg and crack away.
Cascarones.
This fiesta is so fun.
The eggs are full of confetti. Crack one open, Bunny Buns. Cascarones. Crack one open again. Let's all see how many cascarones we can get.
Yay! Hi, I'm Ella. Lettie is going to be a big sister. Come and meet the baby lambs with us.
Here on the farm, 3 babies were born, and Lettie is now a big sister. Tiny and cute, they watch Lettie move, and the babies all try to move with her. Take a step.
Step.
Take a step.
Step.
Watch your big sister. She knows what to do. She'll step with you.
The 3 babies played all through the day with Lettie, their wonderful sister. Tiny and cute, they watch Lettie move, and the babies all try to move with her.
Wag your tail.
Waggy wag wag.
Wag your tail.
Waggy wag wag.
Watch your big sister. She knows what to do. She'll wag with you.
Leaving the barn can be scary at first when you're a newborn baby lamb.
But here on the farm, you'll always be safe. Welcome to this friendly place. The babies all smile and run for a while, jumping and bouncing and playing.
Their sister is here, and now it is clear the world is so fun and amazing. Bounce around.
Bouncy bounce bounce.
Bounce around.
Bouncy bounce bounce.
Watch your big sister. She knows what to do. you watch them go. Go, go! They're spreading pollen to everyone with a buzz, buzz, buzz
that helps them grow.
I'm bringing home a baby bumblebee. Won't my grandma be so proud of me? I'm bringing home a baby bumblebee. Oops, they stung me.
Bee is so friendly, but don't forget this tiny pointy thing.
A little stinger that's very sharp.
If you get too close, you'll feel a sting.
Ouch! I'm bringing home a baby bumblebee. Won't my grandma be so proud of me? I'm bringing home a baby bumblebee. Buzz, buzz! They love to boogie. When the bees want to talk, they do a little dance. They waggle, 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 just like that. They waggle, waggle, waggle like dancing bees. It's their own way of saying, hey, follow me. I'm bringing home a baby bumblebee. Won't my grandma be so proud of me? I'm bringing home a baby bumblebee. Aw, they're so fuzzy. Hi, I'm Ella. It's harvest time. Today we're picking the root veggies so we can share them with everyone. It's going to be fun. Yay!
Go, 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 gopher. Go, 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 gopher.
Yeah.
Well, my name is Gopher, and I love to eat. I munch, munch, munch on veggies. They're my favorite kind of tree. Carrots, onions, potatoes, they all belong to me, you know. I take all day long as I sing my gopher song.
Go, 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 gopher.
You never know where I'm gonna go.
Go, 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 gopher.
Yum, yum, yum.
Whoa.
Stop! Now listen to me. You're taking all the veggies, can't you see? Once we plant our veggies and watch them grow, we need to share with everyone we know. Veggies keep us healthy and veggies keep us strong. So taking all the veggies, well, that's just wrong. Listen, Gopher, if you care, you'll share.
Share.
To show you care.
Share. To show I care.
Go, 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 gopher.
She's right. Sharing is kind.
Go, 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 gopher.
Here I go. Zoom, zoom, zoom. All around. Finding veggies in the ground. Put them all in a pile for my new friends to make them smile. Now everyone can eat while singing to my gopher beat.
Go, 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 gopher.
Thank you, Gopher.
Go, 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 gopher.
Thank you, Gopher.
Go, 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 gopher.
We love you, Gopher.
Go, 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 gopher.
Yay!
It's such a sunny day. We've got to wear these. Now it's time for a funny sunny dance. Join in with us.
It's a lovely afternoon. The sun is shining down on you. Let's all spend the day beneath the sun. Sunlight helps the plants all grow. There's just one thing to do, you know. Put some sunscreen on and have some fun.
Let's have some fun.
Sun, so much fun. Shining down on everyone. Won't you sing a sunny song with me?
Sing a sunny song.
Bright, sunny light. The sun is shining, yeah, that's right. Sing a sunny song with me.
Yay!
The sun looks close, but it is far. It's really one enormous star. Floats around way up in outer space.
Outer space.
On the farm we feel its rays. It gives us light so we can play. The sun is smiling, such a happy face.
Such a happy face.
Sun, so much fun. Shining down on everyone. Won't you sing a sunny song with me?
Yay!
sun is shining, yeah, that's right. Sing a sunny song with me. Come on, everybody, what shines in the summer?
Sun, sun. What makes the flowers grow? Sun, sun.
What makes the day hot?
Sun, sun.
Yeah, everybody knows that. Sun, sun, so much fun, shining down on everyone. Won't you sing a sunny song with me?
Sing a sunny song.
Bright, bright, sunny light. Sun is shining, yeah, that's right. Sing a sunny song with me. Sing a sunny song, Lellobee.
Sing a sunny song with me.
Hi, I'm Ella. We're waiting for Rishi. He's coming here on bus number 10. Count to 10 with me.
One little,
Two little,
three little
buses.
buses. 4 little, 5 little, 6 little buses. 7 little, 8 little, 9 little buses. 10 little buses. 10 little buses. 10 little buses. 1 little, 2 little, 3 little buses. 4 little, 5 little, 6 little buses. 7 little, 8 little, 9 little buses. 10 little buses. 10 little buses. 10 little buses. 10 little, 9 little, 8 little buses. 7 little, 6 little, 5 little buses. 4 little, 3 little, 2 little buses. 1 little bus, yeah. 1 little bus, yeah. 1 little bus, yeah.
Hi, it's spring. That means it's berry picking time. We're going to make berry smoothies. Come pick some berries with us.
The farmer in the dell.
The farmer in the dell.
Hi ho the dairy, oh the farmer in the dell.
Let's pick some strawberries. Let's pick some strawberries.
Hi ho the dairy, oh let's pick some strawberries.
The blueberries are next.
The blueberries are next.
Hi ho the dairy, oh the blueberries are next.
Let's pick some raspberries.
Let's pick some raspberries.
Hi ho the dairy, oh let's pick some raspberries. What are these berries, Grandma May?
They are cloudberries, Ella. All the way from Sweden. Pablo loves cloudberries.
These cloudberries are cool. These cloudberries are cool. Hi ho the dairy, oh these cloudberries are cool. Hi, I'm Ella. My friend Heidi the horse looks really sad. Can you help us make her feel better?
Oh, Heidi the horsey is feeling kind of sad. We must make her happy when she is feeling bad.
Look at my little horsey, she looks a little blue. But I know what to do.
I know just what to do.
I'm gonna hug my horsey.
Hug my horsey.
I'm gonna hug my horsey.
Hug my horsey.
A nice warm hug to bring us together makes my horsey feel much better.
Hug my horsey today.
Heidi the horsey is still a bit upset.
Oh.
We haven't cheered her up.
No, not quite yet. Let's give her lovely flowers. Yes, that should get her through. And if that doesn't work, I know just what to do.
I'm gonna hug my horsey.
Hug my horsey.
I'm gonna hug my horsey.
Hug my horsey.
A nice warm hug to bring us together.
Makes my horsey feel much better.
Hug my horsey today.
What else can we do to cheer this horsey up?
Put some honey tea in a nice warm cup. Something to lift her mood when she is feeling low.
I'll find a couple of friends to put on a juggling show. There's just one thing left to do, but I'm gonna need all of you.
We're gonna hug my horsey.
Hug my horsey.
Come on and hug my horsey.
Hug my horsey.
When all our friends are hugging together, it makes my horsey feel much better. Hug my horsey today. She feels much better. Hooray!
Hi, I'm Ella. Look at that fluffy white cloud. I wonder where it's going. Let's follow it.
Clouds, clouds, look at all the clouds way up in the sky.
All different shapes and sizes.
Watch them floating by.
What do you see?
Looks like an octopus to me.
Clouds are fluffy, clouds are light. Each one has a different size. Made of water floating in the air.
Look, the clouds are everywhere. What do you see?
Looks like an elephant to me.
And what do you see?
A penguin standing happily. Lots of clouds up in the sky. Watch them as they're floating by.
If the clouds start turning grey,
It could be a rainy day.
Clouds, clouds, look at all the clouds way up in the sky.
What do you see? Looks like a dragon to me.
And what do you see?
It's a giant flying bumblebee.
And when the flowers feel too dry, rain will drip from the sky.
Rain, rain, falling down from our friends, the lovely clouds. Rain is helpful, don't you know? It helps the good things grow. Come on, everybody.
Clouds, clouds, look at all the clouds as they drift away.
Thank them for the awesome show.
And all the lovely rain.
Thank you, clouds. Hi, it's Pablo the pig's birthday. We're gonna cook his favorite veggies. Shh, it's gonna be a surprise.
Happy birthday, happy, happy birthday. Let's have a party and celebrate. We'll gather lots of food, cook it up, and then
shh, he's sleeping.
we'll say happy birthday to our friend. Let's pick some peppers.
There are two you can choose.
One is green, one is red.
And both healthy for you.
Let's pick some carrots.
Okay.
And set them by the grill.
If Pablo's hungry,
He's gonna have his fill. Happy birthday, happy birthday. We'll gather lots of food, cooking up and then
Shh! Don't wait, Ken.
we'll say happy birthday to our friend. Let's grab some onions right out of the ground.
Onions, yeah. Look at those red tomatoes
That you have found. Can't wait to taste the veggie feast we're going to make.
Look out! Be careful around the birthday cake.
Happy birthday, happy birthday. We'll gather lots of food, cooking up and then
Shh! Quiet.
we'll say happy birthday to our friend.
Soon we'll get to eat the good things we grow. But the smell is going to wake up
Pablo! Surprise! Happy birthday, happy birthday. Let's have a party and celebrate. We'll gather lots of food, cook it up, and then we'll say happy birthday to our friend. We'll say happy birthday to our friend.
I'm Ella. Today we're building apple crate cars. I'm gonna build the fastest. Vroom. Let's go.
Let's drive in the car.
Drive in the car.
Let's buckle our seatbelts and vroom off.
Let's drive in the car.
Drive in the car.
We can go any place that's close or far. So many things to see.
Oh, won't you come with me? Driving, let's go driving. Let's build the cars.
Let's build the cars.
We'll pick 4 wheels to begin.
Let's build the cars.
Let's build the cars. If the wheels are circles, they will spin.
Make sure they're screwed on tight. Keep trying, you'll get this right. Driving, let's go driving. Let's finish the cars.
Let's finish the cars. We'll add a steering wheel inside.
Let's finish the cars.
Let's finish the cars.
Some little mirrors to help us when we drive.
Everything in the right place.
May says it's time to have a race.
Yay!
Driving, let's go driving. Let's race the cars. Put on your helmets like a pro.
Ready, set, go!
Race around the farm today. Who will win this Lellobee race? Driving, let's go driving. Let's race the cars.
Let's race the cars. Vroom, vroom. You're racing with your friend.
Let's race the cars.
Let's race the
Ella
cars.
and Rishi are coming to the end.
It's very close. Who will win this time? Ella and Pablo across the finish line.
Driving, we love driving. Driving, we went driving. Yeah!
Hi, I'm Ella. Today we're going on a lion hunt. Come on, look and listen with us. We're going on a lion hunt.
Going on a lion hunt.
Gonna spot a big one.
Gonna spot a big one.
I'm not scared.
No, I'm not scared.
What's that?
What's that? Is that a lion in the grass?
Maybe it's a lion.
Maybe it's a lion.
What do you think?
What do you think?
It's Pablo the pig with a tail that is pink. We're going on a lion hunt.
Going on a lion hunt.
What's that?
What's that? Moo, moo, moo. Is that a lion in the grass? Maybe it's a lion.
Let's get a closer view.
Moo, moo, moo.
It's Carlos the calf. How do you do?
We're going on a lion hunt.
Going on a lion hunt.
What's that?
What's that? Quack, quack, quack.
Is that a lion
Mama Duck, swimming in the pond.
We're going on a lion hunt.
Going on a lion hunt. What's that?
What's that?
Roar, roar, roar.
Is that a lion's mane?
Maybe it's a lion. Maybe it's a lion. Is that a lion's mane?
Is that a lion's mane? Roar, roar, roar.
Yes, it's a lion. We found it. Yay!
What a funny lion you are, Grandma May. Hey, I love dancing in the rain. Come on, splash in the puddles with me.
If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands.
If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it.
If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands.
If you're happy and you know it, stomp your hooves.
If you're happy and you know it, stomp your hooves. Well, if you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it.
If you're happy and you know it, stomp your hooves. If you're happy and you know it, swish your tail.
Swish, swish, swish. If you're happy and you know it, swish your tail.
Swish, swish, swish.
If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it.
If you're happy and you know it, swish your tail. Swish, swish. Swish, swish, swish.
If you're happy and you know it, flap your wings.
Flap, flap, flap. If you're happy and you know it, flap your wings. Flap, flap, flap.
Well, if you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it.
If you're happy and you know it, flap your wings. Flap, flap, flap.
Yay!
Flap, flap, flap. Flap, flap. If you're happy and you know it, dance with me. If you're happy and you know it, dance with me. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, dance with me. Hooray!
Lellobee City